Hey travelers! Welcome back to Kysersis, your go-to guide for travel tips, hacks, and adventure-ready inspiration. If you're all about seeing the world without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a hot topic: how to find the cheapest flights every time you travel. If you want to save hundreds, or even thousands, on airfare, buckle up. Let's get into it. This one's a game changer. The more flexible you are with your travel dates, the cheaper your flights will be. Flying midweek, like Tuesday or Wednesday, is almost always cheaper than weekend travel. Use tools like Google Flights or Skyscanner's whole month view to spot the best deals. Speaking of Skyscanner, comparison sites are your best friends. Kayak, Momondo, and Hopper all scan hundreds of airlines and travel agencies to find the best deals. Each one has its perks, so don't just rely on one. Cast a wide net. Timing is everything. Generally, booking 1 to 3 months in advance for domestic flights and 2 to 8 months for international ones gets you the best rates. According to studies, the sweet spot for most destinations falls within this window. And no, last minute rarely means cheaper anymore. Don't feel like checking flights every day? Set up fare alerts. Sites like Google Flights and Hopper let you track prices and will notify you when they drop. It's like having a deal hunting assistant that never sleeps. Budget airlines like Spirit, Ryanair, or AirAsia can offer jaw-dropping low prices. But heads up, they often charge extra for bags, seat selection, and even water. If you're traveling light and don't mind a no-frills experience, they're golden. Just read the fine print before booking. It's a travel hack staple. Some believe that flight prices increase the more you search. Whether or not it's true, using incognito mode or clearing your cookies ensures you're seeing the freshest prices. Better safe than sorry, right? Flying into or out of a smaller or nearby airport can save you serious cash. For example, flying into Oakland instead of San Francisco or Gatwick instead of Heathrow. Just factor in the cost of getting to your final destination. One airline there, another one back? Totally fine, and often cheaper. Sites like Kiwi.com and Skyscanner let you build custom itineraries using different airlines. You might need to book one-way flights separately, but the savings can be worth it. Frequent flyer programs and travel credit cards are your golden ticket. Even if you fly just a few times a year, the points add up. Cards like Chase Sapphire or Capital One Venture give you bonus points you can redeem for flights. It's like getting paid to travel. Here's an advanced move. Sometimes booking through an airline's local site and paying in their currency can be cheaper. Just make sure your credit card has no foreign transaction fees. This hack takes a bit more effort, but can save big, especially on international flights. And there you have it, 10 powerful tips that can help you score the cheapest flights every time you travel. A little flexibility, a few smart tools, and a bit of timing. That's the magic combo. Got a flight booking hack we didn't cover? Drop it in the comments below. We're all about sharing knowledge here at Kysersis. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your travel buddies, and hit that subscribe button for more weekly travel tips. Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and remember, the world is waiting. This is Kysersis, signing off.